Hello children. The next exercise is about relation. Consider the two sets P equal to A, B, C and Q equal to Ali, Banu, Binoy, Chandra and Divya. The Cartesian product of P and Q has 15 ordered pairs. That is P cross Q equal to A Ali, A Banu, A Binoy, A Chandra and A Divya. And again B Ali, B Banu, B Binoy, B Chandra and B Divya. Again C Ali, C Banu, C Binoy, C Chandra and C Divya. So we get 15 ordered pairs in P cross Q. So writing in ordered pair A comma Ali, A Banu, etc. and C till C Divya. We can now obtain a subset of P cross Q by introducing a relation R between the first element X and the second element Y of each ordered pair X comma Y. So we write relation as an ordered pair X comma Y such that X is the first letter of the name Y, in which X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. So relation R is X is the first letter of the name Y. So representing this using arrow diagram. So R equal to A for Ali, and again B for Banu and B for Binoy, and again C for Chandra. So we can write in ordered pair R equal to A Ali, B Banu, C Chandra and D Divya and one more B Binoy. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B or P cross Q. So these are the ordered pairs which are the subset of the Cartesian product P cross Q. So a relation is defined as from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. The second element is called the image of the first element. So this is the second element. Ali is the image of the first element A and Banu is the image of first element B. So Chandra is the image of C, Divya is the image of D and Binoy is the image of B. So relation means a subset of the Cartesian product. So relation be written in ordered pairs X and Y. So X is the first element and Y is the second element. The second element is the image of the first element. A relation may be represented algebraically either by the roster method or by the set builder method. An arrow diagram is a visual representation of a relation. Now let's see what is domain and range. So domain is the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R from A to A set B is called the domain. and range is the set of all second element in a relation R from a set A to set B. The whole set B is called the codomain of a relation R. So let's move to exercise 2.2. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 14 and R is relation from A to A by R equal to ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0 where x comma y belongs to A. You have to write domain, codomain and range. Here it's given set A equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 14 and R is from A to A. That is x is 1 to 14 and y is also from 1 to 14. So R equal to A to A. So taking x is equal to 1, it must satisfy this equation. When x equal to 1, substituting here 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. Then y will be 3. So 3 minus y equal to 0, otherwise y equal to 3. Again when x is equal to 2, 6 minus y equal to 0, that is y equal to 6. And x is equal to 3, 9 minus y equal to 0, so y equal to 9. Again when x equal to 4, 12 minus y equal to 0, that is y equal to 12. Then x equal to 5, then 3 into 5, 15, 15 minus y equal to 0, so y equal to 15. Here we have 1 to 14 elements in the set, 15 is not here, so x is equal to 5 will not satisfy. So we write the relation as R equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. So the first element in the set is a domain, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements which are domain, and the second element in a set is called the range. Relation can be represented in an arrow diagram. So 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Here the first element is a domain. So domain is 1, 2, 3, 4 and range is the second element in a relation R, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12. And codomain are the set of all the elements in a set A. So codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4 till 14. So range is a subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Second question. Define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers where R equal to x comma y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. So xy belongs to capital N. Where capital N is a natural number. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. So relation is given as R equal to xy such that y equal to x plus 5. And x is a natural number less than 4. So x is a natural number less than 4 or x is equal to 1, 2, 3. So substituting this x value in y, we get an ordered pair. When x is 1, y equal to 1 plus 5, 6. When x is 2, y equal to 2 plus 5, 7. When x is 3, y equal to 3 plus 5, 8. So relation is written as R equal to ordered pair 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Now we have to write what is domain and the range. So domain is a set of all first elements of the ordered pair in the relation. So 1, 2, 3 is domain, and range is the set of all second elements in a relation 6, 7, 8. Third one, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to ordered pair x, y. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. So A and B are the two sets which are given. Relation is given as an ordered pair. The difference between x and y must be odd. So we have to write this relation in roster form. So when we subtract 4 and 1, we get 3, which is odd number. So 1, 4, and 4 and 3 we get 1, which is odd number. So 3 and 4, writing in order x, y. So the first element x in A and y in B. And 6 minus 1 is 5, which is odd. So we write as 1, 6, and 6 minus 3. So we write as 3, 6. And then 6 minus 5, which is 1, which is also odd number. So 5, 6. And then 9 minus 2, which is 7, odd number. So 2, 9. And we can do 5 minus 4, which is 1, which is also an odd number. So difference between x and y is odd number. So relation is 1, 4, 3, 4, 1, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 2, 9, 5, 4, which is written in roster form. So fourth one, the figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form, roster form, and what is its domain and range. So writing this in set builder form, we have 5, 6, 7 in set P and Q equal to 3, 4, 5. So we'll write P equal to 5, 6, 7 and Q equal to 3, 4, 5. So the relation between P and Q, so 3 is the image of 5, 4 is the image of 6 and 5 is the image of 7. We can clearly see that there is a difference of 2 number. So if it is 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So we can write the relation in set builder form, the ordered pair x, y, such that y equal to x minus 2. When x takes values of 5, so y equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. When x takes value 6, y equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. When x takes value 7, y equal to 7 minus 2, 5. So 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. So we can write this relation in set builder form, r equal to x, y, such that y equal to x minus 2, where x belongs to set P. Otherwise we can write this as r equal to x, y, such that y equal to x minus 2, x takes values 5, 6, 7. We can write it either way. Then we have to write this relation in roster form. So r equal to 5, 3 ordered pair, 6, 7, 6, 4 and 7, 5. So what is domain? Domain is the first element in the ordered pair. So 5, 6, 7. And range, the second element in an ordered pair in a relation, that is 3, 4, 5. Fifth one, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by A comma B ordered pair, where B is exactly divisible by A, AB belongs to A. We have to write this in roster form. So R equal to B is exactly divisible by A. That is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, and then 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, and then 3 comma 3, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 4, and 6 comma 6. So the ordered pair B is exactly divisible by A. If you take any values 2, 2 is divisible by 2. So 6 is divisible by 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. Then we have to write the domain of R. So domain means the first element in an ordered pair of a relation. So domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Next, we have to write range of R. Range, the second elements in an ordered pair of a relation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Sixth one, determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R equal to ordered pair x comma x plus 5. X belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to write this in roster form. So when x is 0, when x is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. So 0 comma 5. When x is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 comma 6. When x is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. So 2 comma 7. When x is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. When x is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. When x is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So here written in roster form. Then we have to write the domain. Domain is the first element, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And range. Range is the second element of the ordered pair in a relation. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Seventh one, write the relation R equal to ordered pair x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. We have to write the relation in roster form. So prime number which are less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we have to write this in roster form. When x is 2, so I am writing R equal to, when x is 2, 2 cube is 8. Again when x is 3, 3 cube is 27. When x is 5, 5 cube is 125. When x is 7, 7 cube is 343. So R equal to 2, 8, 327, 5 comma 125 and 7 comma 343. Eighth one, let A equal to xyz and B equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. So how many relations, number of relations can be obtained from the set A to B? So A cross B, the Cartesian product, x1, x2, y1, y2 and z1, z2. So n of A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of subsets of A cross B. Number of subsets of A cross B. Using formula 2 power n. So n is 6, which is equal to 2 power 6. So number of relations from A to B. is 2 power 6. We can obtain 2 power 6 relations from A to B. Ninth one, let R be the relation on Z. So Z represents integers defined by R equal to A comma B, ordered by AB belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. It is known that the difference between any two integers is always an integer. Then domain of R is integers and range of R is integers. Since difference between any two integer is always an integer.